friends, it's Kim at Foggy Bonnet. I have a sneak preview for you today of a product that's featured in the upcoming mini catalog, the January through June 2021 catalog. If you do not have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and would like to receive one of these catalogs, reach out to me at foggybonnet@gmail.com. That's foggybonnet@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to send out a catalog to you. If you are my customer and you've ordered from me in the past year, thank you, and your catalog is already in the mail on its way to you. I can't show you the inside of this catalog yet because it hasn't gone live, but the product I'm going to share with you today is featured on page 6, and it comes in this box. Love this box. This is an all-inclusive card kit. It's called Hello Dear Friend. And if you're not familiar with our all-inclusive kits, in a nutshell, it means that everything you need to make the cards is in this box. The only thing you'd want to add is a pair of scissors to cut the decorative thread that comes in this kit. But everything else is included, and I am actually going to offer a beginner class based on this kit that will take place on January 28th. Stay tuned. At the end of the video, I'll give you details on how to participate in that class. But right now, let's jump into looking at all the goodies inside of this box. First, the box itself. I love a nice box, and the cover of this box gives a hint about what's inside. So I'm going to set this over to the side so I can pull things out. The first thing I'm going to pull out is this gorgeous copper thread. It's very shiny, metallic looking, and even though it looks metallic, it's soft enough you'll be able to tie bows. Just gorgeous thread. Okay, so that's a nice embellishment. The second thing I'm going to pull out is this Misty Moonlight Stampin' Spot. This is a little miniature ink pad, Misty Moonlight, and along with the ink, you have your sentiment stamps. And I love the sentiment stamps in this kit. It was one of the things that first attracted me. I don't know if you can see these, but I'll just read them off to you. There's just a little note. Hello, dear friend. That's what the kit is named for right there. Hello, dear friend. You make my heart smile. A day to remember for a special occasion. And there's also a floral. There's a little flower there that's two-toned. It'll stamp dark and light. And then some leaves with a stem to go with the flower. So a great little stamp set. These are photopolymer stamps ready to go right out of the box. And you'll receive an acrylic block. That's what you put your stamps on to ink up and stamp with. So you do receive an acrylic block. You also receive adhesives to put your cards together with. You'll get a sheet of full-size Stampin' Dimensionals. These are little foam pads that elevate elements on your card, and a sheet of glue dots. And if you follow along with the class that I'll be offering in January, I'll be showing you how to use all these materials. So no problem if you're a beginner stamper, no problem. We'll show you how to use all of this. Then the cards themselves. There are 12 total cards in this kit, and you receive 6 of the smaller size, which is 4.5 by 2.5. And these come in 2 different patterns, a floral pattern, and this is Highland Heather. That's this nice, lovely purple color, and then a stripe motif. And the cards are already scored. All you have to do is fold them in half when you make them, and they're made out of really nice cardstock, good heavy cardstock. And then the cards have matching envelopes, and these are adorable. Look at the liner. This is a printed liner in old olive stripes. Just gorgeous. I love these. So these are the note card size, and then there are 6 full-size cards. One has this gorgeous bold floral pattern with a splash of This is crushed curry, I believe, is this color, and then the floral on it. These are 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 full-size cards. 3 of these and 3 of these with the lovely greens, green leafy pattern on this one. And the 2 greens featured in this set are the Old Olive, as I mentioned, and Shaded Spruce, which is a little bit cooler, darker green. So these are your full-size cards, and they too come with the coordinating envelopes with that beautiful striped liner printed. Then, in addition to the cards, you'll receive sentiment tags, and these are sized to work with the sentiments in the kit, the stamps. So if you wanted to use the just a little note stamp, it will fit on, oops, I already have this one popped out. It will fit on this tag right here. See that? Perfect. There's one size for the thank you. Did I mention the thank you sentiment a while ago? I think I might have forgotten that one. Nice little thank you. And what's nice about these tags is they also have the copper foil on them. So they coordinate beautifully with the copper thread that's in the kit. Okay, so there's lots of tags to use with your sentiments. And in addition to the sentiment tags, you'll receive a couple of sheets, several sheets actually, of die cuts. These are to be used on your card fronts, and they're already printed for you. All you have to do is pop them out of the sheet. They're cut already. There are these fern-like or leaf-like elements and gorgeous flowers. I love this one. Really like this one. So here you have your Misty Moonlight, the Highland Heather. I believe this is Melon Mambo, and the crushed curry, and then your greens. A really pretty spring palette for this set. These are going to make gorgeous cards. And then what I find just amazing about this kit are these vellum sheets. They are sized to use on the card fronts, and they have the copper foiling, so they look like leaded glass windows. And earlier I mentioned that the front of this box, or the top of this box, had a clue about what's inside, and you can see it matches this design on these pieces of vellum. So I just want to show you, if I can pull out a card here. Yes, one of these. These are made to overlay the card front. Isn't that gorgeous? And if you take the class with me and walk through this, I will show you how to use these vellum sheets with your adhesive so the adhesive doesn't show through the vellum, and put together some really pretty cards. Now the kit does come with instructions, an instruction sheet illustrated to show you how to put together your cards. So you could definitely do this on your own. But sometimes, especially if you're a new card maker, it's nice to walk through with someone. And that's what I plan to do on January 28th. And if you're an experienced card maker, you'll still love this kit. It's so convenient. Everything's here. It would make a lovely gift to put these cards together and give them to someone in this box, maybe with some other goodies. Just a great gift. So stay tuned. I'm going to give you some details about the class that will be in January. The brand new Hello Dear Friend class will take place on January 28th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time in a private Facebook group. During the class, I'll be demonstrating how to make one of each style of card that's in the kit, and I'll also be showing you how you can use the non-consumable items to make cards of your own design after you've finished with the kit. To participate in this class, visit my online store at kimray.stampinup.net and order your Hello Dear Friend inclusive kit, the numbers on the screen there, using the host code for this class. That's also on the screen. It's important that you use this host code because that's what tells me you're registered for the class, and I will then email you the information on how to find the Facebook group where the class will take place. This class host code will be in effect from January 5th through January 11th. Remember, January 5th is the first date that you can order this kit because it's a brand new product coming out with the new catalog. Stampin' Up! Will deliver your kit to your home, and we'll all get together on January 28th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time for a fun Hello Dear Friend card kit class. If you have any questions about how to order your kit or how to use the class code, anything whatsoever, please reach out to me at foggybonnet@gmail.com. That's foggybonnet@gmail.com. I'm Kim Ray. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm so glad you joined me today. Bye-bye.